The purpose of this example is to explain how to combine the layers of two different pallets that are created with the same type of box, but one of them is lengthwise and the other one is transversal. So the first step here is to create a new data sheet, box on pallet, where we will enter the dimensions. Here we have the default dimensions. Our default units are in inches, so we can right-click the bottom corner and change them to millimeters and kilograms. Now we enter the dimensions of the box. 280 by 265 by 105, 3 kilograms. We can change the color of the box, and we add it. Okay. We're going to select type of Australian pallet and calculate it. You see here we have the lengthwise boxes, the transversal boxes, and we have the best layout, which turns out to be either one of them. So what we'll do here is mix the first one with the second one. There's a quick feature which is called alternate layers. We click on go, and we have a new palette. The difference here is that the boxes are aligned to the ends. The corners of the palette have the boxes aligned to them. We can generate a report and see the palette.